Generating high-quality AI images no longer needs expensive tools like Midjourney. This free bulk image generator can create multiple results in seconds. Start by opening Chrome and searching for a diagram, then open the website to begin creating your images. Once you're inside the platform, first adjust the image ratio according to your needs. For example, you can select 16:9 for thumbnails and banners, square ratios for social media posts, or portrait ratios for posters and mobile content. After setting the ratio, move to the prompt box and describe the exact image you want to generate. You can include details like style, lighting, colors, characters, background, camera angle, and overall mood to get more accurate and professional-looking results. One of the best things about this AI tool is that it generates multiple image variations from a single prompt. Instead of creating only one image at a time, it automatically gives you 4 different results with unique compositions and creative styles. This makes the workflow much faster because you instantly get multiple options to choose from without rewriting your prompt again and again. After clicking on the Submit button, the AI begins generating your images within seconds. Once the results are ready, browse through all 4 generated images and select the one that matches your vision perfectly. You can then simply click on the Download button to save the image in high quality and use it for thumbnails, posters, social media content, marketing, or creative projects. This AI workflow makes image generation faster, easier, and far more accessible for creators in 2026.